It's important to note that gaining weight fast is not always healthy or sustainable. However, if you are looking to gain weight in a healthy way, here is a step-by-step guide to help you. Determine your calorie needs. Use a calorie calculator to determine how many calories you need to consume each day to gain weight. This will depend on factors such as your age, sex, height, weight, and activity level. Eat more calories than you burn. To gain weight, you need to consume more calories than you burn. Aim for a calorie surplus of 500 calories per day to gain weight at a healthy rate. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Focus on eating foods that are high in calories and nutrients, such as nuts, seeds, avocados, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Increase your protein intake. Protein is important for building muscle, so aim to consume 1 to 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. Eat frequently. Instead of eating 3 large meals, aim to eat 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day to help increase your calorie intake. Lift weights. Strength training can help build muscle mass, which can contribute to weight gain. Aim to lift weights at least 2 to 3 times per week. Get enough rest. Rest is important for muscle recovery and growth, so aim to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions.